So this one is concave mirror. Inner side is reflecting surface. Next we will draw a principal axis. Principal axis with the help of the scale. Oh, this is called principal axis. Remove the scale. This is the pole of the mirror. Pole of the mirror. Now I will take two measures. So that is 40 centimeters. Here F, another 40 centimeters. This is C. This is C. Now I will bring an object on the principal axis. Take one object here. Now I will draw a parallel line. So now I will draw a parallel to the principal axis. After the reflection, the ray will pass. After the reflection, sorry. The ray will pass through the focal point. This is the first ray. and the second ray passes through the this is the second ray. The second ray passes through the hole. After reflection, this will also come back like this. Like this. This is the first ray. The ray will pass like this. After reflection, it will come like this. The second ray, which is passed through the pole and reflected back. Reflected back. The third one is the ray which is passes through the center of curvature. The ray which is passed through the center of curvature. Center of curvature here. Here the question is, a ray passing through the center of the curvature of the concave mirror after reflection is reflected back along the same path. Along the same path. Why? Before the concave mirror, if the object is put on the principal axis, the first ray will move parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it will pass through the focal point F. This is F. Here is a possible to draw a normal in between the parallel line and the reflected line. So this is incident and this is reflected. So here we will find out the angle I and angle R. So if you draw a normal like this, we will find I and R. Another one, the line pass through the hole of the mirror. Then it will also reflected like this. Here also law of reflection applicable. Here this is instant ray and this is reflected ray. Here the principal axis act like a normal. Here also I and R shown. But in the third case, what is asked in the question paper, the third ray passes to the center of curvature. So there is no possible to draw the reflected ray. So incident ray, whatever we draw, that will back in the same direction. That's why here the angle of I and the angle of R is equals to 0. So this is the explanation for this question.